Hi kids, let's learn alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for food. G. G for grapes. H. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jeep. K. K for key. L. L for lion. M. M for motorcycle. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R. R for ring. S. S for shoes. T. T for tea. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.